Today we're going to make some pumpkin pie moonshine. You're going to need a gallon of apple cider, 2.5 cups of brown sugar, three teaspoons of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons of ginger, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of ground clove, 2 cans of pumpkin. I like this Libby's because when I'm too lazy to make biscuits and gravy, they got good gravy. If you like whipped cream on it, you're going to need some whipped cream vodka. And you're going to need at least 1.5 quarts of good high-proof moonshine.
It was about 150.
You could add 2 quarts if you want it strong.
Make it as strong as you want.
Or 3 or 4.
Or 8 gallons, or you know what, just drink it straight. Whatever you want, man.
Yeah. All right, put all your stuff in a pot. We're making a double batch.
You dumped all that liquid out already?
Yeah. Bring it up to a boil. Keep it stirred. Shut it off once it's boiling.
And then we'll let it cool down.
Once it cools down,
It's alcohol
you
time.
put some moonshine in there.
That's my favorite part.
Some whipped cream vodka.
Gives it that little a la mode kick.
Oh yeah. We're giving the bottle herpes, man.
I thought you was immune.
I am amused.
Then shut up.
I still don't like the fact that you got herpes all over my bottle.
No waterfall.
Now we're gonna put it in jars and taste it. Oh shit, bro. Oh shit. That's good.
I scored another 6-pack of half gallons for $11.50.
Did you?
Yeah. Didn't need them, but it's like
Walmart actually had some wide mouth quarts in last night. All right, a normal batch, you're gonna get about 7 to 8 jars, depending on how much liquor you put in there.
we doubled.
Yeah, we doubled this recipe. We ended up with 15 jars. And the proof is up to you. I'd say 1.5 jars of good high proof. It's gonna be about 30. Then you want to get it higher and just keep adding.
I added to my jar.
We ended up adding over 1 gallon of moonshine to a double batch, and it tastes great.
That pumpkin's really strong, so it really kills any alcohol taste that you might have.
Sweet too.
And it's super sweet.
It's like eating legit pumpkin pie.
Thing.
Keep it refrigerated. Lasts about 120 days on average, probably a little longer. That's just a, guesstimate. But it ain't gonna be around then. It's gonna get drank.
Yeah.
First time somebody tastes this, they're gonna be like, oh shit. They're gonna be in it all night. Stuff like that gets dangerous because it tastes so damn good.
You could take this and dump it over some vanilla bean. You could dump this over some ice cream.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Put it on some ice cream, tear it up.
Pumpkin pie shine?
Pumpkin pie moonshine. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day.